Welcome to Vandana International, Jodhpur, the blue city of India. For more than 30 years, we have carried forward the proud legacy of craftsmanship, creating world-class furniture that blends tradition, innovation, and timeless design. Every masterpiece begins with the right foundation. We source sustainable wood and premium metals, each carefully inspected for strength, durability, and quality, ensuring only the finest materials enter our production line. Here, raw material transforms into form. With advanced technology and the precision of skilled hands, our craftsmen shape the elements that become timeless furniture. This is where craftsmanship comes alive. Each piece is handcrafted with dedication, blending traditional techniques with modern design. Every detail is a reflection of authenticity, artistry, and passion. In our fully in-house manufacturing unit, every piece is assembled, polished, and finished under expert supervision. From rustic textures to contemporary elegance, we deliver designs tailored to global lifestyles. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. With 3 decades of expertise, each product is tested against international standards of strength, durability, and comfort, ensuring excellence that lasts. Once approved, each product is securely packed for safe delivery. From Jodhpur, our furniture travels across the globe, trusted by homes, hotels, and offices in every corner of the world. At Vandana International, we don't just build furniture. We craft heritage. We craft trust. We craft excellence. Made in Jodhpur, admired worldwide.